I am in Springfield, Ohio. Let's go hiking. I wonder where this path goes, because I am not taking the path that everybody else took. Oh, it's a fallen tree. I guess that's the end of the road. Maybe. So I'm gonna go back and take the proper trail. Oh, it's so beautiful today. It's like almost too chilly, just in short sleeves. But I think I'm gonna warm up pretty quickly. Today is September 7th. So fall is coming. I love it. It's the best time to hike. So there's quite a bit of cars in the parking lot, so we're probably gonna end up seeing some people. At which point I'm gonna turn off my recording. So I looked up the map online, and I think there are 3 trails here. Each of those trails are less than a mile, I believe. I had a hard time getting myself motivated this morning to get out, only because I got so much work to do, but it is a Saturday. Okay, so this is where the fallen tree is, where I was trying to come across. We'll take a look at the maps once we get to the trailhead. I like how they're trying to plant some trees in here. definitely kept well. I did not even bring a sweatshirt to this trip. So today is okay, but hopefully the rest of the time it's gonna be not too cold. So here we are. This is the park we're at. Yeah. So we'll take a look at this trail, see how it goes. Ooh. Looks like they've been busy trying to pick up the trash. So I'm gonna go to the left. I think this is the shortest one. We'll start with that. Take a bucket down empty and bring it back full to help protect nature. All right. I'm going into the woods. Meaning it's gonna get colder, so I better speed up a little just to keep warm. I love church bells. They're just so calming. So I guess I'm gonna keep going this way. I'm not sure. This doesn't look like the right way. Though there's a mark. Is this the way to go? I don't like how the grasses are so tall though. The last thing I want is sticks on me. Let's check out the other way. Someone took the sign, that's the problem. Okay. These stairs are terrible. Who designed this? Trying to be creative, but not really. Because your foot doesn't fit. I think we're going toward the river. Oh, Jesus. Woo. Oh, there's very uneven, which makes it not safe at all. There's a big ass rock. Oh, that's big. And a cove underneath, so I'm not gonna keep going down. I'm gonna go around here, see what else is here. Oh, there are people. We're not going that way. Let's keep going down. I see some people coming through there, so I'll come back to you in a little bit. There's the water down there. Hope I don't get lost. There's some nice flowers. It smells good here. And there's so many different ways to go. Okay, we do have a marker here, but I could have also gone that way. Wow, lots of rocks ahead of us. I think there are some spots here where you can actually climb the rocks. Look at these cuties. swamp. It's a big swamp. I love this place. Having all these buckets all over the place and trash cans, does that count as trash? These trees are falling. More rocks to climb, I guess. This whole left side is just big rocks. And on my right is the river and the swamp. And more buckets. Okay, so which way do we want to go? Let's see, to the right. Man, I'm gonna get lost. Maybe it's a good thing we have buckets on the trail to follow. No poison ivy, please. I don't know what this plant is, but there are a lot on either side. I think we're gonna explore the right side just to see what's beyond there. I think that might be a railroad track. maybe, just being so high. It's getting really nice. Okay, let's climb up here and see what's up. I think going up might be easier than coming down. Oops. Because of the leaves. Okay. So here's another trail that we intercepted. I guess we'll continue here, making it interesting as far as coming back. If I'm gonna come back this way, maybe I'm gonna end up going a different way. I can definitely hear the water on my right hand side now. I think this park is 90 acres, if I read that correctly, which is pretty big. Little rays of sunshine between the trees. It's so pretty. I don't know how much you can appreciate just through these lenses. There's the water, and there is some structure. Looks like a bridge. Somebody's in the water fishing. I'm surprised there's not more people here on Saturday when it's so beautiful. What is everybody doing on Saturday morning? I mean, it's not even in the morning, it's almost noon. Fishing in the river. Nice and shallow. I'm gonna have to stop somewhere to drink some water. I need 2 hands to drink my water. Got a new jug for my water. Oh. And there's a place maybe under the bridge where we can sit. Oops. Hope there are no homeless or something like this, because I don't want to disturb them, to be honest. Yep, looks like a railroad. Kind of spooky. Can I go through here? Yeah, but I don't think I want to continue that way, so let's go back. And the trail was actually going to the left as well, so we'll go that way. Somebody's shirt or something. I guess I should have brought a bucket to pick up trash, huh? Alright, let's go. I think if I do take this turn, it's gonna go backwards at one point. So now you're gonna go over the railway. This might be an active railway. I don't think I want to go walk around the railway. I'm gonna go back again. And maybe I have to turn around because I don't want to get lost. So I'm gonna go backtrack. I've been walking for about a half an hour, so I think I'm good for today as far as the amount of hike. Just going back, it's gonna take another half an hour. So I think this might be boring for you going back on the same trail, so I'm gonna turn off my video for now and then I'll come back if there's another trail that I find interesting. Otherwise, I'll see you next time.